Is Chicago's housing market about to boom in 2026, cool off, or completely surprise us? Because if you're thinking about selling, buying, or investing, the decisions you make in the next 6 to 12 months could cost you tens of thousands of dollars or make you that much more. So let's break down what's actually happening and what 2026 is most likely to look like. Why is everyone watching 2026? The Chicago market has been anything but boring. We've had rapid price growth, low inventory, high interest rates, buyers frustrated, sellers hesitant. So the big question is, are we headed into a crash, a boom, or something in between? Let's start with the biggest elephant in the room: interest rates. Rates control buying power. When rates go down, buyers can afford more. Competition increases, prices rise fast. When rates stay high, buyers pause, sellers hesitate, inventory tightens. Right now, projections suggest rates will likely stabilize in 2026. Not crash back to 3%, but not spike dramatically either. And stable rates equals confidence, and confidence fuels transactions. Inventory, Chicago's ongoing problem. Inventory is still tight in many Chicago neighborhoods, especially on the Northwest side and strong suburban markets. And here's the reality: many homeowners are locked into low rates from 2020 to 2022. They're not rushing to sell. So that means if inventory remains limited in 2026, sellers will still have leverage, especially in desirable neighborhoods. New construction will help, but it's not going to flood the market. Prices. What happens next? Based on current data trends, we're likely looking at moderate appreciation, not explosive growth, not dramatic decline either. Chicago historically doesn't behave like overheated markets. It tends to move steadily. So 2026 might look like a 3 to 5% annual price growth. Balanced negotiations, less frenzy than 2021, but still competitive. That's not a crash. That's a healthy market. Demographics are shifting. This is the part people seem to overlook. Chicago is seeing young professionals moving into walkable neighborhoods. Families prioritizing schools and space, more remote or hybrid work flexibility. So, what does that mean? Demand will likely stay strong in areas that offer transit access, good schools, mixed use walkability, space for home offices. The neighborhoods that provide lifestyle and practicality will be the ones that win. What buyers will want in 2026, here's what I'm already seeing: energy efficiency, smart home features, home offices, outdoor space, and move-in ready condition. Sustainability and tech are becoming less of a luxury and more of an expectation. Sellers who prepare for that shift will definitely have the advantage. Affordability, the ongoing challenge. Affordability will remain the pressure point. Wages have grown, but so have property taxes, insurance, and overall costs. This is where we'll likely see creative financing, buy downs, seller concessions, more negotiation strategy. It won't be a name your price market. It will be a strategy market. So, can we predict 2026? Here's my professional prediction. Chicago in 2026 will likely be more balanced, more strategic, moderately appreciating, inventory constrained, confidence driven. Not a crash, not a frenzy, a steady market that rewards smart decisions. So, what this means for you? If you're a seller, 2026 could be a strong opportunity, especially before inventory increases further. If you're a buyer waiting for a crash, may not pay off. Strategy matters more than timing. If you're an investor, stable markets create consistent returns, not dramatic swings. Chicago's housing market in 2026 won't be shaped by one factor. It'll be shaped by interest rates, inventory, demographics, and confidence. The people who will win, the ones who plan ahead instead of reacting late. So, what do you think 2026 will look like? Drop your prediction in the comments. And if you want hyper local insights for your specific neighborhood, subscribe, because the national headlines never tell the full Chicago story.